What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stevie Wonder,
Treyway here.
and we are going to be called the cool math guys for discrete math of doing problems. All right, so basically we're going to be doing number 3 right now. Is let F denote the set of all face cards, including ace, with the card suit F is an element of set of HCSD, where letter corresponds to suits in a 52 card deck. We're going to be going over A, B, and C for you guys, and here's my boy Treyway to go over A.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing A3A, which is how many relations can be defined on S bar. So basically what that means is S bar, we're trying to define the total amount of relations on S cross S. So basically, if we had ace, jack, queen, and king here, and the same on this side. Okay, we're trying to figure out how many relations, can there be, are possible. So basically it's going to be, S cross S right here for the number of sets. And basically, since we have 4 different options on each side, that's going to be 4 times 4, which equals 16, okay? And it's going to be 2 to the power of 16 because of the power set equation, which is going to be, you have 2 different choices. You have these are 2 different choices right here. Either it is going to be a relation or it's not going to be a relation, or yeah. And these are the total, amount of, functions we have. So to the power set, with the power set equation, we know that the number of relations can be defined as 2 to the power of 16. Part A, and for the first part of part B, it's going to be define a relation that is a function. We're going to leave the second part to Stevie right there. So now, to define a relation that is a function, it's very simple. I'm going to clean my paint off. So
Smart.
to define a relation that is a function, it's really easy. All you have to do is just draw this. So we're going to give you first an example. Is going to be like, ace of spades, and then you're gonna go ace queen of spades. That's a really ugly cue, but don't worry about it, ain't no problem. All right, so that's part of it. So then we're gonna go to this. It's gonna be like S of jack and S of king.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's really all that is. I'm gonna draw this parenthesis here, and we just defined a relation that is a function. So now Stevie, really easy. Now it's going to be Stevie is going to tell you that about a relation that is not a function.
All right, so what you want to do when a relation is not a function is the one definition that is not a function would be where the x's repeat itself. So basically what Rob was saying earlier, spades or ace of spades, right? And
Yes.
then you have a queen of spades. Now, SA is the x, SQ is the y. Now, if you have the ace of spades again, my bad, right there, and the let's say the king of spades, that is not a relation because the x repeats itself right there. All right, and that's all it is for that one. And now we're going to go over to C, how many relations defined in S are not functions. All right, so we already did half this with Treyway over here. He showed us how to do A, my man over here. All right, and this is how many relations. So how many relations can be defined? That would be, remember, it was 2 to the 16th.
Yes, it was indeed.
It was. All right, and then you subtract that by the number of ones that the ones in S bar that are functions, because if you're trying to find the ones that aren't functions, then you subtract it by the ones that are functions, because that's then the remaining would be the ones that are not functions. So the ones that are functions are going to be 4 because there's 4 different face cards, and 4 because there's 4 different choices.
Yes.
So it'd be 4 to the 4th. And Rob, can you do the math for me right there, please?
Of course I can. So 2 to the power of 16th is going to be 65,536.
536, and minus?
It's going to minus 4 to the 4th is 256.
All right, and what is that going to equal?
That is going to equal 65,280.
280. And that is how you do number 3, A, B, and C. I hope you learned a lot. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Peace.